I noticed that a lot of you guys are obviously subscribed here for the R3 content. Another thing that makes me laugh, especially on Motonosity's videos, right, he was talking about, he joked that felt like he was riding an R3 or was going to get an R3. The reason why I didn't go was that car was coming over there. I knew he was going to go. Yeah, a lot of people said, I'm going to unsubscribe if you get an R3 or ride an R3. You know, I'm not watching that shit. There's actually no difference to a motovlogger riding an R3 to a motovlogger riding an R6. The only difference is you got a different sound and they go from 0 to 60 a lot fucking quicker. Most people who ride R3s like myself, I get on it every now and then. You know, I have a bit of fun. But a lot of people don't, and they just putt around, and that's because that's their thing, man. Not everyone wants to go bloody Mach 2 on a motorcycle all the time, you know. And a lot of the time you'd find that Motonosity and Do It With Dan and all those big guys, they probably just cruise around and just do short snippets of them just accelerating hard every now and then. Because you can't ride like crazy all the time, if you know what I mean. But no, it was just an interesting thing on how so many people would just despise another person just because they're riding the bike they're riding. I'm like, bloody hell, man. Like, I was reading the comments and they were giving him genuine hate. You could tell it was like the first few seconds of the video, and they're like, if it's an R3, that's it, I'm fucking going, I'm out. Fuck yous all. Peace. And I was just like, bloody hell, man. So, yeah. But it was just one of those things. I'm just like, there is actually no difference. Why would you unsub just because he's riding an R3? Like, these R3s are fucking awesome. When it comes down to it, I haven't just jumped on an R3 and going, oh yeah, the R3s are awesome. I've ridden super sports, all sorts of shit, and I still reckon the R3 is a fucking awesome bike. I just thought it was very funny that people were saying that on Motonosity's channel. Like, I don't know how long they'd been around and followed his content, but like, bloody hell, man. If you got an R3 to do up as a build series, like, he brought a ruckus for God's sake. And no one left him. Cop shop. YOLO! Yeah, he brought a ruckus and everything like that. He did that up and did the build series. I like his build series, man. Like, the build series are pretty cool. I myself, I don't know if I'd do a build series or anything. Who knows? Down the track, maybe. At this point in time, it's not really on the agenda or in the future or anything like that.